Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unlink your Square Enix account from Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to square-enix-games.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. This is where you'll manage all the connections between your Square Enix account and other gaming platforms. After logging in, you'll land on your account dashboard. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From this menu, select Linked Accounts. This section is specifically designed to show you all the gaming platforms and services currently connected to your Square Enix account, making it easy to manage these connections in one place. Once you're in the Linked Accounts section, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Manage Linked Accounts. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a more detailed view where you can see all your active connections and have the option to modify or remove them as needed. Now navigate to the Steam section within this list. You should see an Unlink button next to it. Click this Unlink button to begin the process of disconnecting your Steam account from Square Enix. This step is important if you're planning to link a different Steam account or if you simply want to remove the connection for security or organizational purposes. After clicking Unlink, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is a safety measure to ensure you don't accidentally remove the connection. The pop-up will ask you to confirm that you really want to unlink your Steam account. Go ahead and click Unlink once more in this confirmation window to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your Square Enix account from Steam, giving you full control over your platform connections. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.